Hello boys and girls, Mohit Agarwal here. This video I am making for my lovely CMA students. Not CMA subject, but CMA course. Okay. So I know CMA students right now are tackling both the things, the exam preparation as well as the exam tension, and also they are a bit jittery about the thing whether the exams will be extended or not, and they want some kind of certainty and official notification from CMA Institute. Okay, so let me tell you, I have been also very restless since last 4 to 5 days, and trust me, behind the scenes, I have been constantly in touch with the council members, explaining them that the extension of couple of weeks, how can it help the students in a better preparation? Because it's not that they are wanting extension because they are not prepared. They are prepared, but it's just that they are not having what you call in cricket as net practice, and not because of the fault of them, not because of 1% also fault of them. It's just because that the new paper pattern and the new online thing needs to be sunk in, and they need to have that net practice, which we call as mock test practice over here. And the institute released mock tests, but the mock tests were incomplete. The mock tests were incomplete. Although, yes, again, I would say the relentless effort that the council members and the institute has made to take it online, and the guts they have shown, it is beyond praises. But at the same time, you have to be sensitive about the problems that the students are also facing. So the latest update is that within couple of days you can expect the official notification from the institute regarding the final picture. And I have been told that if the exam centers are available at the later date, which means approx couple of weeks postponement, then only it will be considered, it will be done. But if the exam centers are not available at the later date, then it may not be considered. So right now, what is the thing that the exam centers are being looked for? Okay, so this is the latest thing. So boys and girls, even in the worst case scenario, you be rest assured that I will be there for you till the very last. If it takes sleepless nights, I am ready to do it. I am ready to make sure that we'll be having sleepless nights. Not you, we will be having sleepless nights just to make sure that your preparations are rock solid for the exam day. So this was a quick update for you guys, and let me tell you, in the coming week, lots of revision marathons for CMA students along with the mock papers will be solved for you. Okay, so this is the latest update. So the main motive of the video was just to make sure that you are given the latest update, and the latest update is within couple of days you can expect the official notification. Within couple of days, official notification will come regarding this, and uh, the exam centers, if available at a later date, then they'll surely consider about it. Okay, so I have explained everything. Now there are some students who are saying that no, we don't want any extension. Okay, almost 80% students are wanting that. Look, the mock test papers were released by institute, but they were incomplete. So nothing wrong with having 2 weeks extension if it can help our preparation in a better way, and we can acquaint ourselves with the new paper pattern. And roughly 10 to 20% students are also having a school of thought. No, we have been warming the benches at our homes since last 1 year, and it's time that we just go for the exams and just give the exams, whatever it may be. So let me tell you, what's the harm in having these 2 weeks extension if the institute is providing? I'm talking to those 10-20% students, because see, the exams are getting online. So the uh, process process of declaring the results, which takes at least a couple of months or 3 months, will also be substantially reduced. The time taking process will be substantially reduced. So ultimately, even after these 2 weeks postponement, which if takes place, which I am not guaranteeing, because if the exam centers are not available, then you will catch my neck and say that you told extension. No, I requested for extension. I told that I am requesting for extension. I have never ever said that this is the extension and this will be done. What I have said is that I have requested, I have placed your concerns to the relevant authorities. Okay. So request does not mean that I am declaring something. So even if it is done, the results will be out in a much more faster manner, because the online exams are there. The results will be declared very soon than what they used to be. So we can expect at least a month's time or 2 months time being saved in the declaration of results. Okay. So this was a quick update, and trust me, I'll be there with you till your very last. Jab tak you do not clear your CMA final, till the day you don't become CMA, I am there for you. Take care. Bye bye. Lots of love.